Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Red Bull Dance Your Style returns for its 5th staging in Jamaica this weekend, promising a night of high-energy dance battles. 16 of the island's most dynamic dancers will face off in freestyle one-on-one battles for the chance to represent Jamaica at the Red Bull Dance Your Style World Final. E Prime spoke with event curator, internationally recognized choreographer LaTonya Styles, who gave a breakdown of what to expect.
Different finals. The first one is going to be 8 battles. Each dancer goes 2 rounds. After that, we have the quarterfinals. There will be 4 battles. Each dance 2 rounds. Then we have the semi-finals. 4 of them then face off with just 2, and they get 3 rounds.
With no judging panel, the power lies entirely with the audience to decide who advances and ultimately who will be crowned the 2025 Jamaica champion.
You see this little device on my hand? It lights up. So you have red and you have blue. The audience decides based on the slot that they're in. If they're on the red side or the blue side, they use the lights to decide.
This year's lineup brings together both seasoned performers and rising stars from the local dance community.
The dancers are very excited. They're anticipating their time to shine. The audience can expect new faces, lots of fresh moves, professionalism, because the dancers, they're very professional right now, and excitement as usual.
The winner will represent Jamaica on the world stage at the Red Bull Dance Your Style World Final in Los Angeles this October.
The travel opportunity includes a cash prize and all expense paid for the trip, so they don't spend $1. Not only do they win the trophy, but they get bragging rights and, of course, the travel opportunity to represent Jamaica on the world stage. So, for example, Joel Immortal and Flex Team Caution, they both went to South Africa, Johannesburg. They gave us like sightseeing opportunities. We went to the safari. We saw the lions and the tigers and all the big 5 animals. So, anybody would love that.
The event kicks off at 7 p.m. this Saturday on the lawns of Devon House and is also live at 10 p.m. on RETV. Now, on the international scene, Mariah Carey to receive the coveted 2025 MTV VMAs Video Vanguard Award. On Thursday, MTV announced Mariah Carey will be honored with a Video Vanguard Award at this year's Video Music Awards, which recognizes her achievements in music. In a release, it was also revealed that Carey will also perform a show-stopping, career-spanning medley of her biggest hits to celebrate the award. This will mark the first time the singer returns to the VMAs in 20 years when she performed a medley. Carey previously presented the Vanguard Award to this year's host LL Cool J back in 1997. This year, Carey is also up for Best R&B for her song Type Dangerous from her upcoming album Here For It All, out September 26. That's it for your weekend edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.